right, mate. So let's look here. GLMR just launched on Binance. Now, when you just launch on Binance like this, the most likely scenario is that it pushes up a little bit, but it can be very choppy, and it can actually form a range here. Now, this is a weekly chart, so I'm not sure if it's going to form a big range there for a few months, but it is possible. It definitely is possible. But I would suggest that it's going to pop up and take some liquidity up here, in that range. Maybe it'll form a bit of a range in there or whatever. That's very, very normal after something like this happens. As you can see, I mean, it's already been doing that range on the daily chart, but it can expand. The range can, it can deviate from there. It can get that move up, and maybe there can be a move down, and it'll end up creating a larger range within inside this large candle here. If the market can then eventually turn bullish, a lot of coins actually like to come back up and retest as highs, but the market is the market's not great right now, so it is tough to say is it going to roll away for a bit. But in a bullish market, this loves to consolidate and then move up and test these highs. But the market is not great right now, so it is tough to say. Yeah, even on KuCoin here, it's the same sort of setup. I thought there might be a longer chart on it, but I didn't see it. So, for a long period of time, I would suggest, for a couple of months, that this is probably going to range in and around here. Now, MOVR, very, very, I would say very nice drop as long as you're not involved in it or not holding it. 72% drop is not that much. I know some people like to take it from this top wick, but that top wick's most likely a scam wick. So it's 77% or maybe 72%. So we could split the difference really or whatever. But it's early 70s, the drop, and quite often in a bear market, the price can actually fall more than that. So, is it bottomed? It's a tough question. One thing I would look out for is for this trend line to break. If we start to consolidate here and break, that is a better sign. Okay, so I just checked the KuCoin chart as well, and it's very similar. So you can take this as a real spike. So it's down 70. It was down 76% because this was actually in the middle of the price action here. So that's a real spike. I would likely suggest, that it's probably not bottomed yet. When I see all of this open space here, I have to start thinking that this is probably going to get filled at some point. Like you can see, all of this is like empty space. We're hitting the support right here on top of this support right here, but I would suggest at some point that this is going to come in and fill some of this space before bottoming out or whatever. As this moving average comes down, price is going to then need to be bullish, to be truly bullish. You need to probably reclaim the white 100 moving average. So I would suggest that something like this is going to play out.